Hey, these are a couple electric burnishers that we use. We typically use these for maybe 5,000 square feet or less. About the mess, but just wanted to show you. These are some propane burnishers, sometimes called propane buffers. That one big one in the middle is a auto scrubber. It's sitting on charge. Hello everybody. Hey, this is Thurman with S.N.M cleaning service. Hey, just want to go over a few pads with you. This is the burnishing hog hair pad, 21 inch, and we also have a 27 inch there sitting on the top and the back. Hog hair pads, natural hog hair. We have a one pad, just a white buffing pad. It is kind of on its last leg. It's used just there for demonstration. And we have a remover pad. This right here also helps with black marks and get different marks off. And that's also a 20 or 21 inch, if I'm not mistaken. And once the pads get used for burnishing, it typically works from the edge to the inside. And you see the inside still looks new, and it gets a lot of dirt and wax. Typically, to use these pads, we typically should turn them over. This pad here was not turned over yet, and it still has a new side on the flip side. But once it gets dirty, it's time to flip them over. All right, everyone, let's go to the field. Let's get started burnishing. Before you can get started burnishing, first you must clean the floor. First for us, we start dust mopping and sweeping. Then after that, we scrub the floor with an auto scrubber. If the floor is small enough, we will mop. But that pad gonna be jacked up. Areas that's too small for the auto scrubber, we just mop by hand. Yeah. Hit the little hard spots that you can't really get to. Yep. For smaller areas, we use electric burnisher. Once we're finished with everything, the only thing left is to do a final dust mop and inspection. Thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe, share, and also if you're in the Nashville, Tennessee or in the Atlanta, Georgia area, call us for all your commercial cleaning needs. And please feel free to comment, ask as many questions as needed.